Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Yahya Suleiman Tuntumba, the founder of the Muslim Network. Alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulullah. Amma ba'd. The Muslim Network invites all pilgrims who will be performing Hajj this year to each seminar slated for 1st June 2024 at Africana Guest House at Medina, on the road to Hajj. This seminar is meant to present practical demonstration of how Hajj is performed and also to provide the theoretical aspect of Hajj, how to make your intention and the type of Hajj to perform and the various supplications that a person is required to do whilst he's in Hajj, and to also teach the significance of Hajj and how one can reap the maximum benefit of the journey of Hajj, as well as to provide health tips and medical tips, health tips, how to keep a healthy living whilst one is performing Hajj. This is an opportunity no one would like to miss, and then we invite all the public to register to participate in this seminar that is slated for 1st June, and people could contact the number 0558211936, and other numbers will be provided below in this video so that you can quickly call them to register for participation. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.